To be successful as an investor in this field, you have to understand value. The value of your property drives everything from your purchase to your sale, how much money you should actually put into the property on a repair basis to fix it up to get X value. Those are all numbers that you become very familiar with the more experience you have, but when you're first starting out, they're relatively daunting, and you want to be as sure as you possibly can because you want to be successful. If you have a list of potential comparables, you get out there and you need to walk the properties. You need to see it. Is it a different neighborhood? Is it a different school district? Is it across a freeway? So understanding all that information, and obviously there's way more that goes into that, that's going to really be the crux on whether or not you're successful as an investor.